This is Albert with Buildxact, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can complete a takeoff and an estimate for a framing package using a Buildxact template. First, I want to start by showing you our estimate costing screen. Here you can see 5 categories. All of these are showing 0. These categories and these line items are 100% customizable, which means you can have as many line items as you need or as many categories as you need. It's all depending on the type of project that you're working to estimate. Now, from estimate costings, I'm going to move on to plans and takeoffs. This is going to be the first step. We're going to import some plans. So we're going to choose a PDF file, and we're going to quickly upload this into Buildxact. Once these have been uploaded, our next step is scale the plans. So how do we scale these? It's very simple. Step number 1 is draw a horizontal line. So here we put 30 feet, and then we're going to draw a vertical line. So we'll mark this as 28 feet. Once these plans have been scaled, our next step is to move on to the takeoff and start with our measurements. I'm going to go here to first our exterior wall linear footage, and I'm going to take on the takeoff tool. From here, I'm going to go to the top left side of the screen, and I'm going to choose the polygon tool, and I'm going to start measuring all of these exterior walls. As you can see on the top right, it gives us our total measurement in linear footage. And there we go, 156 linear feet. Then we're going to enter the height for the exterior wall. And then we're going to enter our interior walls. So I'm not going to put them all. I want to keep this example simple and quick. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this as accepted. Then I'm going to enter the height, 8 feet for these interior walls. And then I'm going to move on to get our doors and windows for the exterior wall. So I'm going to start counting these. So there you can see our total count in the top right side of the screen. And there we go. Accept and save. Next step is we're going to choose our doors or select the quantity of doors that we have in the interior wall. And we'll accept this. And then we'll move on to calculate our roof square footage. This is going to be with pitch. So I'm going to choose my pitch here. I'm going to use this rectangle option and start calculating this. Now I can also use a polygon to get my total square footage. So I'm going to keep it at that for now. Then I'm going to move on to calculate my ceiling, the square footage with no pitch. So let's choose this rectangle and start with the garage, and then go back to the polygon and do the house. Okay, so now we're going to accept this. Then it's going to be our subfloor. So I'm just going to keep this simple and enter the measurement manually. So I'm going to put here 2,000 square feet. Once we've entered all of our measurements, the next step is we're going to accept this and move on back to estimate costings. This is going to be our third and final step. And here you can see now that we have our total, 13,284. Now, what does this consist of? Here we have a list of all of our materials and our quantities. These quantities can be per unit, or you can also have these as 1,000 board feet. For example, here you can see exterior walls. We have 2x6, 16-inch center to center. We're going to need 130 of these. So hopefully with this, you were able to have a quick idea into the power of our software and how quickly and how accurately you can do something like a framing estimate in a matter of minutes. Thank you so much for watching.